It's about to go down. Watch nice fingers.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes.
Welcome back to my channel. Stop, me the mad girl, stop. Subscribe. So guys, I'm gonna take you on a trip to my nail tech. Now I discovered my nail tech to my friend that I call Sheenie. My Anna killed me with the camera, yeah. But she did my nails for my birthday and they were lit. So I'm going to go along. The taxi soon come, so fix my lash. And me, I got tag on along for carrying for showing no my nails. I saw nails for look no fungus, no nothing, pan them nice and clean and pretty. White fingers, right? So I'm gonna tag you guys along. When I want Indian come and cuss me. Taxi soon come, and I'm going to show you guys the process and everything, take you guys along so that you can review. And persons may not be in Jamaica but you're looking for a good nail tech, so you guys will see everything that she does and you will critique for yourself and decide if you want to visit Tmoi Nails. I think that is how she pronounces her name. So guys, me go carry no along the taxi. I come, me go fix the lash while drop off, and then me go me go carry now and I'm gonna see everything. Love you guys so much. Thank you to my subscriber for requesting this video, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So see you guys when I get to the nail tech. Say hi, Indian.
Hi.
Guys, mother's chicken, my love. Mother is a chicken sell-off. Please sponsor me, thanks. Tonight, me go hold on to the times that we had tonight. Boy, me a big singer. Anyways, people, me did wait too early for the nail take appointment here. Our assistant actually tipped me, and I was just waiting for my turn. She was running a bit behind as well, so I was just jamming to some music and enjoying my own company. So that's what you're seeing in this clip. Click, 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 la, click, click, la, click, la, click, la, click. But I looking at my phone, but I tell you, when she post the video, say she not show. She say morning sickness, she not show. Me I say, me wish him propose to the girl.
Him a murder.
Him a married her, you know. I know say him love her, but him a take too long for propose. That's a number one. I feel like me now say.
He must say extra, no. So maybe he
want something extra.
He must say, oh my girl, they don't want to see him birthday.
$25,000 she give me, you know, so that when that times by 145, I will heap of money that. She give him $25,000 and she give him get Rolex, him get whole heap of something. Yeah, she love him and she love him till she full. And him love her till him full. But I just feel like him might take too long with the proposal. Because you know the thing, I tell you why I think him for propose to Risa. You see, because them don't admit to them do things without that. So I feel like it would be a little better vibe if he proposed to her before she get pregnant.
Because a lot of people did say, so why won't you marry her first? And
yes.
I said, guys, we're going to get married.
I feel
and we don't mind if we get pregnant before. Like them I say, it don't matter to me.
I feel like it matter to him and him, they're going to do it already. But it matter to she and it matter to me. Because you see with the woman, I don't know, it's just a thing. Because she look for proposal, you know. But tell you how I know say everybody look for the proposal. You see the time when she did do him birthday or something?
Yeah.
And him say, I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do. That him said that video, you know. So me
Yeah.
know me I say yes, a proposal a come. When me look, me see quite chain. Me say what is wrong with this young man? Him go buy her one the chain nice though, like
Yeah.
the one that she
The
buy him.
butterfly one. I do the butterfly
No
one.
man, one
One.
you see the tick the chain where she buy him. Him buy her one exactly like him
it. Oh,
one,
okay.
and I whatever money him say feet. So me know things to us wait. We can look at proposal. Him never propose. Then now when them say her birthday, I'm gonna do it. But me know say never gonna propose for her birthday cause she tell him say she don't really want to propose for a special occasion because it's too obvious like Valentine's Day.
Maybe that's why I'm not doing it yet.
Right?
Because maybe I say he want her to be shocked.
Shock. But him for hurry up man because them me feel like she
Remember,
pregnant.
say my Jamaican man, you know.
Me know that is what me that think to do. My Jamaican.
They not gonna rush for
Them not rush.
married, you know.
Yeah,
but
them not rush for propose to you. I feel like at the Jamaican in him and that alone too. Him they have a whole heap of woman, you know, like not girlfriend,
you know,
but him did date with a lot of like meet up with a lot of woman. Him have a whole heap of soul tie. But love them though. But just me not know when you watch them, you get a different vibe.
They meet nobody else. They not gonna do well.
For true.
They're really
They are
good
meant
together.
for each
Yeah.
other. They are meant for each other. I just like them vibe. I love how them stay. But I feel like she's pregnant though. I don't know what. I just feel like she's pregnant. I don't know. I'm a dream. I think I did dream that somebody pregnant. I feel like she's pregnant. First to that phone and then send it. Because through the iPhone, the iPhone is good and nice, you know.
I know. The iPhone you use take a picture or is Samsung?
No, the Samsung you use to take a picture.
Oh.
Make it nice.
Samsung all the way for nighttime pictures for you. You can't take iPhone with it. Unless you have a ring light, iPhone really do. Okay.
I said, I've been seeing some celebrity nails, you know, from Jamaica on Instagram, and I was like, what is that? You people need to come to Tmoi Nails. It is not a if, nor but, nor maybe, right? And this is an honest review because I'm a very new customer. Look, all my nails are come out. Look, all my nails are come right through the glass door. Oh Lord, look at that. Look at the precision. Look at the precision. Look at the filing. File. Good girl. Goody. Good girl. Goody. Hey! But not gonna lie, this was so nice. Normally when nail techs like I file my finger, I feel a lot of pain, but not really a lot, but I feel it. But with her, I don't really feel it, honestly. And she puts her thumb, may I say for my hand, but she put her thumb over my cuticle line. It was amazing. Okay guys, so this is what my subscribers picked. Natalie, Christine, everyone that replied. But I also did this. I could not decide between the two designs, so I did the both of them. I always talk about people who, you know, they look like I feel when them do two different designs on their hand, but I understand the struggle. So this is a subscriber's pick, and that's mine.
Two sideways.
Who is that? Who is that, Abe? What is that? Look
Yeah,
at
move too quick.
that.
They put them all the way up and
I'm fascinated. I'm happy.
two sideways.
Look at that. Oh my god.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Don't tell me say watch all the video, all of me going through all of this, and you have not subscribed as yet. Please go ahead to subscribe to my channel. I'm coming up with more content, more tips around Jamaica, more anything. Comment below what you want to see and I'll get it for you. Okay, so please subscribe, like. I honestly don't think there's anything left for me to show you. Everything from you was a 10, and I'm being very honest. Just visit Tmoi Nails and she will slay you. Thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome rest of your day.
Alright, watch Empress Saucy here.
I impressed, man. I want to think, man. Impressing Lily.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Oh.